see the seasonings that is in the corned beef. And honey, that is it. That is it. I got it on low and slow. Look at all that seasonings. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. Alright, guys, so I'm up in here trying to find me some nice sheets. Ooh, I see this comforter. This is cute. Queen, though. There go sheet. Ooh, there go one pair. This is a cute color. 20 bucks. So y'all, this is what I get for getting some of the stuff for dinner tomorrow. Do y'all see all these people?
Still don't got the cabbage. That's really the main thing.
The cabbage is the main thing. I'm praying. Because if we don't have cabbage, what are we going to have? And I wanted to show you all what I got. I didn't get that much. I got some Bounce, some smooth ranch dip, some chips. I got some Dixie plates. I don't need my plates. And I got some cookies, pecan turtle delight cookies, some dumplings, and my baby got her a pink water juice. I got this for my hot water cornbread mix, and this is for my Grinch drink. I got 2 lemonades. I also got 2 Hawaiian punch and 2 Sprite. I got 2 cabbages. They are huge, real huge. 2 cabbages. And what else did I get? Oh, I got me some sheets from Burlington. New here. This one's some fresh new sheets. They were $20.99 from the bag brand Wendy Bellissimo Home. Okay. And then I got my grandbaby this for Christmas. I got him that. I also got him a t-shirt. I mean a hoodie. And I got him these. And I got me some towels. So that is it, guys. That is my haul. My corned beef is still cooking. I am about to make us a drink, make my tea. I think I'll do my tea cake first, so I can put them in the oven. All right, and that is that, guys. I got my Christmas berries on. Alright guys, so I'm about to make us the Grinch drink, which is Hawaiian punch, vodka, lemonade, and Sprite. Vodka be last after I get my baby son. So I got some food coloring. I'm gonna mix a little green in there. Let's see how it comes. And then take most of my attention to this hot water cornbread I'm about to start. I want that to burn. Alright, y'all. I just poured in some hot water from the tea kettle to make my hot water cornbread. I'm definitely gonna have to add more. Yes, honey. Water is nice and hot. I'm gonna turn it up a bit. Y'all see the seasonings. And I'm gonna cover it for a while with my lid. On these hot Alright guys, this is the finished results. Look at that good old corned beef. That's 2 corned beef, nice size corned beef cooked down into this bowl. My hot water cornbread, peach cobbler, 2 cheesecakes, 1 regular, 1 white chocolate, and cabbage. And y'all, it is time for dinner. So cabbage. Give me 2 slices of this corned beef. Ooh. Maybe 3. Piece of hot water cornbread. And this right here, guys, is Christmas dinner. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Merry Christmas, everybody. Please hit that like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. And have a happy holiday and a wonderful new year.